Very good morning to one and all. And today we are discussing about some of the objectives in the unit number 1. Last time I discussed chesana. Malli konni objectives chuddam. Now the first objective, high polymers are liquids, gaseous, solids, colloids. Now when we are discussing about polymer chemistry, right? Polymers are known to be the macromolecule. Polymer containing n number of monomeric units. The polymer containing the monomeric unit is about 50,000 to 2 lakh. When the chain increases, when the molecular weight increases, physical state increases. So when we are discussing, the high polymers are known to be the solids. Answer will be the C. Next, question number 2. What is known to be phenol formaldehyde resin? Now, when we are discussing about phenol formaldehyde resin is known to be bakelite. Last time I checked. Bakelite containing an alternative name, what we are saying is phenol formaldehyde resin. Next. What is known to be natural rubber? Respond on natural rubber. Natural rubber containing the monomeric unit is nothing but. When we are saying about natural rubber is nothing but a polymer of isoprene, polycis 1,4 isoprene. So, natural rubber containing the monomeric unit is known to be the isoprene. The most common agent that is added during the process of vulcanization. During the process of vulcanization, to the natural rubber, we are adding carbon. I'm repeating. During the process of vulcanization, we are adding sulfur to that natural rubber. When the sulfur is added to the natural rubber, a sulfur containing rubber is known to be vulcanized rubber, which containing crossed chain geometry, which is containing the crossed chain geometry. The answer will be B. Right. Next, question number 5. Which of the following containing isoprene units? Question is which of the following containing isoprene units? Now, when we are discussing about the following isoprene units, right? The basically which containing the isoprene units is nothing but natural rubber containing isoprene unit. Nylon 6,6 is known to be fiber. Dacron is also known to be a fiber. Polythene is known to be a polymer. So now when we are discussing about natural rubber is a combination of the monomer units of isoprene. The answer will be A. Right? Question number 6. Now we are seeing that question number 6, CF2 double bond CF2. What is that? CF2 double bond CF2 is known to be the TFE. What is known to be TFE? The word TFE is known to be that tetrafluoroethylene. TFE and tetrafluoroethylene. Tetrafluoroethylene gives us to that tetrafluoroethylene is known to be the monomer and the polymer is known to be that PTFE. What is known to be PTFE? Polytetrafluoroethylene. Polytetrafluoroethylene is known to be Teflon. Polytetrafluoroethylene ante Teflon. The answer will be the A here. Then 7th question. The common catalyst which is used in the coordination polymerization. Okay, coordination polymerization is a method to prepare stereospecific polymers. Stereospecific polymers మనం prepare చేయడానికి coordination polymerization వాడతారండి. The catalyst which is used in the coordination polymerization, which is Ziegler-Natta catalyst. I'm repeating. Catalyst is known to be that Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Next, question number 8. What is known to be Buna S? I'm repeating. What is known to be the Buna S? When we are discussing about Buna S is known to be a styrene rubber, and Buna S is also known to be that Emery-Paul. Points. Objectives examination repeated. Now see this. Question number 9. The polymerization in which two or more chemically different monomers, right? The polymerization in which two or different chemical monomers are taking place in the polymerization. The two or different monomers are identified in the copolymerization. The two or same monomers identified in the homopolymerization. Polymerization of two main classification: homopolymerization, heteropolymerization. Heteropolymerization is also known to be that copolymerization. Point. Heteropolymerization is nothing but copolymerization. Okay. Now the answer will be the A here. Now we are discussing about question number 10. A thermoplastic resin is formed by which type of polymerization? Now when we are discussing about thermoplastics and thermoset plastic, what is the difference between thermoset plastic? Thermoplastics are thermoplastics which containing temporary hardness. Thermoplastics are prepared by the chain polymerization. I'm repeating. The answer will be the D here. Next, question number 11. Polymer commonly used in the tire industry. The polymer which is used in the tire industry is known to be the rubber. Initially, you are taking the rubber. Rubber is added with the sulfur. Sulfur containing rubber is known to be that vulcanized rubber. Now, vulcanized rubber is used in the tire industry. The answer will be the A here. Question number 12. A plastic resin which becomes soft on heating, rigid on the cooling. It is known to be the thermoplastic. Thermoplastic containing temporary hardness. Now it can be remolded, reshaped, and reused. I'm repeating. A plastic which can become soft on heating and rigid on cooling is known to be the thermoplastic. Question number 13. The following is the high molecular weight material that can be molded into any desired shape. Resins are known to be that a plastic raw material. A plastic raw material, what we are saying is a resin containing the high molecular weight material which can be molded into any desired shape. The answer will be the C here. Next, question number 14. The polymer formed by the condensation of hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. When hexamethylene diamine is combined with adipic acid, which gives rise to nylon 6,6. I'm repeating. When hexamethylene diamine is combined with adipic acid, which giving rise to the nylon 6,6. Nylon 6,6 is known to be the fiber. Question number 15. Which of the following is not an example for additional polymer? Not an example for additional polymer. PVC is additional polymer, right? Polystyrene is additional polymer. Polypropylene is additional polymer. Then what will be the answer here? Nylon 6,6. Nylon 6,6 is known to be the condensation polymer. Nylon 6,6 is not an additional polymer, right? PVC is additional polymer. Vinyl chloride to polyvinyl chloride. Propylene to polypropylene. Styrene to polystyrene. Nylon 6,6 is a combination of hexamethylene diamine plus adipic acid. Nylon 6,6 is identified by the dehydration reaction. Nylon 6,6 containing the byproduct is known to be H2O. Question number 16. Which of the following is a synthetical rubber? You see here. Cellulose, a biopolymer. Protein is biopolymer. Nucleoside is a biopolymer. And the synthetical polymer will be polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride is known to be synthetical polymer. The answer will be the B. Question number 17. The repeated units of PVC. You see here. Now, when we are discussing about the repeated units of PVC, PVC containing the repeated units of vinyl chloride. Heating of rubber with the sulfur, what we are saying is vulcanization. The only rubber that cannot be vulcanized, point should know, cannot be vulcanized. Cannot be vulcanized indicating that it doesn't containing any double bonds. Butyl rubber containing double bond. Neoprene containing double bond. Polyisoprene containing double bond. So these three can be vulcanized. Thiol, which doesn't containing any double bond system, thiol rubber. Thiol rubber is nothing but polysulfide rubber, which is not at all vulcanized. Okay. The only rubber which cannot be vulcanized is known to be that thiol rubber. Thiol rubber is nothing but polysulfide rubber. Buna-S is a polymer of butadiene plus styrene. When the butadiene is combined with the styrene, butadiene is known to be the 75% and the styrene is known to be the 25%. Butadiene combined with the styrene gives rise to that Buna-S. Now, then what is known to be that matter Ba? It is known to be a copolymer. Next, question number 22. The elasticity of rubber is due to. The elasticity of rubber is due to rubber containing a coil geometry, rubber containing amorphous geometry, and the rubber containing helix-like geometry. When we are discussing about rubber, the rubber which is contained in the coil geometry. Because of the coil geometry, irregular geometry, rubber containing amorphous nature, and the rubber containing elasticity. Question number 23. Buna-N is also known to be the nitrile rubber. Then what is known to be the Buna-N? Buna-N is also known to be the nitrile rubber. Buna-S is known to be the styrene rubber. Question number 24. Now, when we are discussing about question number 24, the arrangement of the functional group points with examination is not. And the syllabus la code objective. The arrangement of functional groups, right? Atoms or the groups of any of the carbon chain is known to be the tacticity. I will tell you what is known to be the tacticity. The arrangement of atoms or groups at a stereocarbon chain. At stereocarbon chain is known to be the tacticity. And The arrangement of functional group on the carbon chain in the alternative fashion. Alternative fashion, what we are saying is syndiotactic. The answer will be B. Simple. Arrangement is known to be the tacticity. Alternative arrangement is known to be the syndiotactic. Question number 25. The polymer in which functional groups which is arranged in a irregular fashion. Functional groups are arranged in the irregular fashion on the stereocarbon chain, that is known to be that atactic. The arrangement, the polymer which containing the functional group arrangement in a random fashion, what we are saying as atactic. Next. The arrangement of functional groups on the carbon bone of a polymer. I'm repeating. The arrangement of functional groups on the carbon bone. Carbon bone is nothing but tacticity. The arrangement of functional groups at stereocarbon chain, what we're saying is tacticity. By the tacticity process, we are preparing stereoregular polymers. Stereoregular polymers containing the high crystalline nature when compared with that ordinary one-dimensional, two-dimensional, and as well three-dimensional polymers. Then BuNa-N is produced making of the following catalyst. What is known to be BuNa-N? Bu indicating that butadiene, Na indicating that sodium, S indicating that styrene. I'm repeating. Bu indicating that butadiene, Na indicating that sodium, and S indicating that styrene. So when we are discussing about BuNa-S containing the catalyst, what we are saying is sodium. Sodium is known to be the catalyst here. Question number 28. Which of the following is used in the non-stick cookwares? Then the polymer which is used in the non-stick cookwares, what we are saying is Teflon. Teflon is used in that non-stick cookwares. Non-stick cookware when Teflon is. Question number 29. Which of the following is considered a synthetical metal? Okay. Synthetical metal, best example is known to be that polyaniline. Polyaniline is known to be that synthetical metal. Question number 30. Common reinforcing agent to give the strength and rigidity to the rubber. To the rubber, I would like to add carbon black. Then what will happen? The strength of the rubber should be increased. Carbon black is known to be the reinforcing agents. Reinforcing agents when we are discussing fiber reinforcer materials. Fiber reinforcer materials last time I cheppananu. Carbon fiber reinforcer material, glass fiber reinforcer material, aromatic amide fiber reinforcer materials. Then question number 31. Which one of the following can undergo additional polymerization? Additional polymerization identified in the unsaturated system. Condensation polymerization identified in the saturated system. The word unsaturation indicating that which must contain in double bonds. Olefinic compound which containing double bond, which is participating in the additional polymerization. I'm repeating. Olefinic compound which contain a double bond participating in the additional polymerization. Question number 32. Which of the following is a branched polymer? Branched polymer, best example I'm taking, that is known to be the nylon 6-6, which is containing the branches. Plasticizers are the materials which is added to the plastic in a compounding process which increases plasticity and flexibility. I'm repeating. Plasticizers are the additive which is added to the resin is nothing but plastic to increase its plastic property and flexibility. Question number 34. Ibnite is a natural rubber which containing about 30 to 35% of sulfur. I'm repeating. What is known to be Ibnite rubber? Ibnite rubber is nothing but the sulfur containing 30 to 35% of sulfur is known to be the Ibnite rubber. Question number 35. Then what is known to be the functionality of ethylene? I will tell you functionality. Now when we are discussing about functionality, the functionality of ethylene molecule, what is known to be ethylene here? Ethylene is nothing but CH double bond CH2. Now ethylene gives rise to polythene, right? Now when we are discussing about ethylene gives rise to polythene, double bond is converted to give single bond, right? CH2 double bond CH2, which is converted to give CH2 single bond CH2, which gives rise to CH2 single bond CH2 followed by here. You see here. How many monomers are added here? You see this. Monomer is added here, first probability, and monomer added will be here, second probability, right? The number of bonding sites identified to extend any polymeric chain. The number of bonding sites identified to extend any polymeric chain. Bonding site value is equals to 1 here. Bonding site is equals to 2. So functionality value of ethylene is always equals to 2. Polyvinyl chloride 2, right? Like this. The transition temperature of glass is always known to be the Dr. Shiksha Dandi. Question number 37. Now, when we are discussing about question number 37, the least functionality of a monomer to convert a polymer is equals to 2. The least functionality, any of the monomer when we are taking, the least functionality value is equals to 2. The strength of a polymer is determined by hardness test point. Generally, మన strength determine చేయాలంటే hardness test ఉపయోగించి చేస్తాం. Question number 39. The linear polymer with 80% crystallinity. Any polymer which containing 80% crystallinity is known to be the HDPE, high density polyethylene. Then example for the conduction polymer, last time I discussed this. Conduction polymer best example polyaniline. I'm repeating. Conduction polymer best example polyaniline. Conduction polymer best example polyester. Point with conduction polymers best example polyaniline and as well as polyester. Polyaniline, polyester. Both are known to be the conduction polymer. Conduction polymer, the polymer chain containing double bond. You see this. Generally, polyvinyl poly, when you're taking any of the conduction polymer which containing single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, like this. The chain will be like this. If any polymer chain containing alternated double bonds, right? Conjugated system, double bond, single bond, double bond. Conduction polymers, when we are discussing conduction polymer containing conjugate system. Conduction polymers containing the pi electrons. Pi electrons are known to be the delocalized electrons. When these electrons are excited from the valence band to conduction band, they can conduct electricity. According to the valency band theory, any polymeric chain, I'm repeating, any polymeric chain which containing pi bond electrons, which containing double bonded electrons, it is known to be a conductor. So when we are taking any polymer, the polymers like polyester, the polymer like polyaniline, I'm repeating, the polymers like polyester, the polymer like polyaniline, the chain which containing double bond system, which containing the pi electrons are easily excited from ground state to the excited state. Next, question number 41. Which of the following has the largest molecular mass? Simple and largest molecular mass, best example, polymer. Because the polymer contained in the monomers, the monomer value is equal to about 50,000 to 2 lakh. Point with what is known to be a polymer chain? Polymer is known to be a macromolecule. Polymer is a combination of the monomeric unit, and the monomeric unit, the minimum requirement will be 50,000. 50,000 to 2 lakh or greater than 2 lakh. Polymer containing the many monomeric units. So many indicating that which containing the highest molecular mass. When the chain increases, the molecular weight increases. The molecular mass is also increases. Question number 42. Polymer commonly used in the making of fiber. Making of fiber, we are using nylon. Nylon is used in the cloth industry, right? The process of vulcanization makes rubber more harder. I'm repeating. The rubber containing high hardness, high stiffness because of addition of sulfur. Addition of sulfur, the process what we are saying as the vulcanization process. Okay. Now, question number 44. Nylon 6,6 is known to be a polymer amide. Nylon 6,6 is known to be a polyamide fiber. Question number 45. Which one of the following is a synthetical rubber? Synthetical rubber, best example, what we're taking, cellulose is a biopolymer, protein is a biopolymer, PVC is a biopolymer, and nucleic acid is known to be biopolymer. PVC is known to be that synthetical polymer. PVC is known to be that synthetical polymer. Now we are discussing about synthetical polymer, right? Synthetical polymer best example is known to be that polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride is the best example for synthetical polymer. Question number 46. The water-soluble biopolymer, best example. Polyester is synthetical polymer. Polysulfide, synthetical polymers. Starch, lactic acid. Lactic acid is not a polymer. And starch is known to be a polymer which containing water solubility. Starch and Ganjipur and chusara, then starch and which containing water solubility character. Which of the following is essential and additional polymer? In additional polymerization, the essential thing what we are saying is initiator, right? What is going to be initiator? In additional polymerization, we are adding hydrogen peroxide. Additional polymerization reactions takes place in the presence of peroxides, followed by thermal condition, followed by photochemical condition. Then peroxide is known to be the initiator which combine the monomer 1 with the monomer 2. Point with which one? Peroxides are known to be the initiator. and those initiator combine the monomer 1 to the monomer 2. When the monomer 1 combined with monomer 2, it can able to form a polymer, right? So during the polymerization reaction, the polymeric product is identified by the addition of an initiator. Initiator we are using is known to be that hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is known to be that initiator. Question number 48. Pungent smell and sticky nature. Pungent smell and sticky nature is identified when rubber is exposed to the oxygen. The process what we are saying an oxidation reaction, right? Rubber containing less oxidation resistant. When rubber is placed in the environment, rubber can be oxidized. There is a change in the bad color, right? A bad color is identified and rubber is converting into the wax-like character. The property what we are saying is oxidation property of rubber. Example for blended conduction polymer. Blended conduction polymer, best example is known to be the polyaniline. The degree to which molecules of polymer arranged in an orderly pattern. Okay, the arrangement of the functional groups or atoms or molecules in an orderly pattern, what we are saying as tacticity. The process of tacticity where we are preparing polymers, right? Tacticity is a process, I'm repeating, tacticity is a process where we are preparing stereopolymers. Stereopolymers మనం ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి ఏం వాడతామంటే tacticity యూస్ చేస్తారని. So it's all about unit number 1 objectives. Okay, it's all about first unit. The next continuation we will see in the next class.